Hi! In this video I will make a wooden puzzle in the shape of a hot air balloon. First I'll cut out the recess where all the puzzle pieces need to go in. I'll make this out of 3mm thick plywood. Transfer the shape of the balloon and cut it out on the scroll saw. Sand the inner shape of the balloon smooth. If you are really good at the scroll saw, you don't need to do this step. And of course, with this kind of thin plywood you get a little bit of tear out. Let's plane down some wood so we can make the puzzle pieces. I'll always use my plywood base or the other puzzle to reference my line. This way you will always get a correct fit. Cut out the pieces on the bandsaw. And sand down to the line until you have a perfect fit. And now you can do the other pieces. The base needs a small piece in the middle. Let's make it out of the plywood. For the inner curve of my pieces, I'll use the spindle sander. Now that I have all my pieces, it's time to round over the edges. And now I can glue a backer board to create a base. When the glue is dried, I can square it up. Use some super glue to glue in the middle piece of the base plate. And now we can give the balloon some colors. Hi, thanks for watching the video until the end. Did you like the video? Please give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments down below what you think of my hot air balloon puzzle. Thanks! I'll see you in one of my new videos. Bye!